Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'll cut it this over. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on our YouTube channel. Today's tutorial, I'll be talking about animation tools and app on mobile phones for this animation class. I'll be making use of three good apps to make our animation. The first app is Flipaclip, second app is Ibpaint, and the third app is Power Director. So, guys, before I mention functions of this app, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can notify and post an important videos. And also, do not forget to join my WhatsApp group and Telegram channel because I have a free class that is going on right now on how to create vehicle animation. So you not miss out, and also you'll be a partaker of the class. So guys, let's proceed. So Ibpaint allows us to draw our background and draw our character. Although we can also draw your character on Flipaclip, but Flipaclip do not have enough tools unlike Ibpaint. So we're going to be using Flipaclip to create our animation. While Power Director, we're going to be using Power Director to merge two or more scenes together, to edit our video, to add sound effects, and to add other editing stuff that is necessary in our video. So guys, in my next tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to make use of this app in full details. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. And also, do not forget to join my WhatsApp group and my Telegram channel for you guys to be the partaker of the free class that is going on. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.